Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hi everyone! We have a special guest today! It's Jenna Fischer!
She's back!
Look who's back! It's my BFF!
It's Jenna Fischer!
I like that Josh got in on it. There's Jenna Fischer. Jenna, did you see the sweatshirt?
I did.
Yep.
We're both standing on his sweatshirt.
I'm part of the party planning committee. Sorry, fellas.
Yeah, you
I'm
are.
taking your spot today.
So, before we get started, I would like to offer you a cup of tea. Would you like a cup of tea?
Yes, please.
Okay, good. I'm glad you said yes because, oh, sorry, excuse me, awkward, sorry, awkward.
Excuse me.
Jenna is a lover of cats. You always have been. You've been a cat owner. You've fostered cats. So this made me think of you.
Oh, it's just cat lady.
Isn't that so cute?
That is so adorable.
And our friend Kyle made them, and you can get like different. You can pick different hair color and everything. You can custimize your cat lady.
personalize it.
Where can you get a mug like this?
Well, gee, if you know a cat lady in your life that would like a mug, go to www.bakingwithjoshandange.com.
There you go.
Now I'll get you a cup of tea.
Great. You're gonna want to rinse that.
I'm gonna rinse it out.
Okay.
Well, I don't know if you guys out there know this, but Jenna's actually a really good baker.
I enjoy baking.
You enjoy it.
Yeah.
I think you're really good at it.
You are good at it.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
You're very
I
good at
actually feel very complimented
Yes.
right now.
You got the seal of approval.
I know. Wow.
And you've gotten really into baking bread?
I just started baking bread.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like obsessed with baking bread.
I
It's
know.
been 1 week,
Yeah.
and I've made 3 breads already.
Wow.
The week's not even over.
Yeah.
Well, Jenna, we just decided we want you to be like a rotating guest. You just come in and you bake with us.
I love
because-
it. Josh, what are we making today?
Today we are making gingerbread cake pops.
Ooh, that sounds very
That
good.
sounds really good, and I've tried some. They're really good.
They are
Sorry.
really good.
Why am I doing this to you?
I don't know. It's you're confessing that you've already.
Yeah, so I got intimate. I was like, I've tried some. I already tried some. How do we get started?
Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to make the gingerbread cake
Okay.
and the icing that you're going to use with the cake pop. So if you didn't know, a cake pop is pretty much just the cake and the icing mixed together, balled up, and then you put a coating on it.
I did not know that.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. So the gingerbread cake and the icing are both on our website. So go to bakingwithjoshandange.com and look at the recipes.
You know, I love the flavor of gingerbread, but I'm not a huge fan of gingerbread cookies. But gingerbread cake or like that flavor of gingerbread in a bread
Yeah,
or something, like
yeah.
I love the flavor.
No, I totally agree. Have you had my gingerbread cookies though, by the way?
No.
Okay, well maybe you would like them.
Maybe
then.
I'll change
I'm
my
just-
mind.
I'm just saying.
He gets
I'm
really
just saying.
cocky sometimes.
I don't know. So the first step you need to do with the cake pops is to take the cake and we're gonna crumble it into little pieces.
Okay.
We're gonna crumble
Really?
it to like these really fine pieces.
See, I thought you were gonna scoop it out of there.
Oh, well, that's not what we're
But
doing.
it's not what we're doing. Don't
Nope.
do that.
Because-
Pump the brakes, Fisher.
So we'll just dump the cake in there.
So this is why a cake pop is so delicious, is because it's sort of the cake and icing really intermix.
Absolutely, yeah.
Mixed together.
It's like at a birthday party if you like kind of mix your cake together, you know, and just take a big bite. That's the inside of a cake pop.
Wow.
Wow.
Who knew?
Wow.
Didn't
Who
know.
knew?
Who knew?
Didn't
I
know
knew.
that.
I knew. That's what we're
Okay,
doing.
fancy pants.
All right, so I just like to use my hands
Okay.
to kind of get the crumbs in there, you know, so feel free to get in there. It's okay if it's a little warm and moist because you're gonna kind of ball these together, all right? All
Like
right.
my
Right.
daughter, I
A little
have to
bit.
try all the ingredients.
I know.
Oh, that is good.
I
Good?
know, and the
All right.
icing isn't even
Oh my
in
God.
there. I know. I know.
Now that we have the gingerbread cake crumbled, now it's time to add the icing, which you're not probably gonna need all of it, but depending on how moist your cake is, you want to get to the consistency of like a Play-Doh when you're mixing it. We'll just see how it goes. All right. This
right.
cake's pretty moist, so I doubt we'll need all of it.
You're really allowing people the freedom to judge for themselves.
I know, which might be a mistake.
Might be a mistake.
You never know. When you get the icing in, you just want to mix it around. You can mix it around with a spoon, and at the end, I'll probably get my hands in there again
Okay.
to kind of really make sure it's incorporated.
Let me just taste what she said. That's what she said.
Man,
Get my hands in there.
oh my God.
We can't help it. We had 9 years of That's What She Said jokes. Like, they just run through my brain all the time.
I was making bread and I said a sentence that I felt was the ultimate, that's what she said. I said, you know when it's finished, if you poke it and it doesn't come back up. God. That's actually true with bread.
Well, last week Josh said you gotta really get the tip in there and move it around.
Gotta move the tip around quite a bit. I know.
Move the tip around. And I was like, I'm out. I'm out.
All right, so that should be enough. I'm gonna check because you want to get your hands in there and make sure it kind of will mold together.
I get it. I feel it. It is like Play-Doh.
Yeah.
It's soft, but firm at the same time.
Perfect.
Oh my God, that's so good.
That's what she said.
Oh my lord, we're running a tally. We're running a tally.
I'm gonna get my hands dirty again though, because we're gonna scoop it out and then roll the balls.
He's gonna roll the balls.
I'm gonna roll the balls. Roll the balls.
By the way, the most that's what she said happens when you're on. You get you and I together and all of a sudden they're like flying everywhere.
So now we're gonna make the cake pop balls by using my little cookie scoop. Grab a little scoop of this cake, get it in your hands and roll it around until you have a nice little cake ball.
Cute.
Okay? I'll make a couple and you guys can do the rest, all right?
Jenna, you take over.
It looks very good.
All right.
My balls will be like floppy balls if I try to do it. What? They will. I'm not good. I'm not good at rolling a ball. You're probably better.
I think you're pretty good at rolling
What are you
balls.
implying? What are you implying?
I can't.
Josh, is Angela good at rolling balls?
I can't.
She's come a long way.
Stop it.
In my opinion, she's
Oh
got
my
a lot
God.
better at
Stop
rolling
it.
balls. I mean, there's always room for improvement, right?
Okay. It's enough ball talk.
Is my ball too big?
No, your balls.
That
balls
looks
are
about
great.
right.
That's why the cookie scoop is great. You don't have to use it. You can use a spoon and just kind of guesstimate. But having the cookie scoop makes all your balls the same size, which is, great.
It's good to have same size balls.
Yeah.
I wouldn't know. I don't know a lot about balls, I guess.
We're gonna have to put like a mature rating on
I
this
know,
episode.
seriously, it's a family show. We're gonna be like, when Jenna Fischer's on, we need mature audience rating.
What does that mean?
Alright, so we're gonna finish making all the balls, and once we're done, we're gonna put them into the refrigerator for 2 hours or the freezer for 20 minutes. You can pick which one depending on how much time you have. The refrigerator is probably better, but if you're in a rush, the freezer's fine. Okay, so the next step is to insert the stick. So we're gonna dip the stick into the candy melt, and then we're going to insert it into the cake ball.
Why do you dip it first?
Okay, we dip it first so it creates like a seal. Okay, so the candy melt is going to harden over the cake ball. When you pick it up, it doesn't come out, like the ball doesn't come out.
That feels
I
like
wondered
that's
that.
an expert tip right
I
there.
know, I wondered that.
Yeah.
That's really good detail.
Yeah, so you're just gonna dip a little bit, you don't need very much, and just insert it, not all the way through, just about 3/4 of the way through.
This is so smart. I would not have thought to do that.
Yeah, me either. And then the stick would have just come right out.
So the next step is we're going to melt a lot of the candy melts, and then we're going to dip the cake pops in to finish it off.
All right.
All right?
This is so easy.
It's so easy. Now you're gonna be like, bread, cake pop. Bread, cake pop.
All the time.
Okay, so while Josh gets the candy melting, how about a little The Office scene reenactment, Jenna?
I like it.
You know?
I saw you do this.
Do you want to get high?
No.
I think you do, man.
Stop it. Under no circumstance should a man strip off his clothes in the office. Shut up, Angela!
You're too heavy!
I only weigh 82 pounds! Save Bandit! Yes, right?
Yes. And so I would like to participate.
Okay. Okay. You have
Do you know that one?
Yeah.
Well, I just want to do one of the ones where we're like talking over the partition.
Okay.
Those were my
no
favorite
more spoilers,
scenes.
No more
Okay,
spoilers.
okay.
All right.
Okay. This scene, we laughed so many times, the director took a break, gave us a break.
Yeah.
He was like, ladies, I think you need a
Yeah.
minute. Okay, we got this, Jenna.
We got it. We're gonna do it in one.
Okay, we're gonna do it in one.
one.
I already feel like I'm gonna laugh when I go. See? I haven't even started.
No.
This is what
Oh, no.
if you wonder why we didn't have a lot of scenes together, it's because we couldn't keep a straight face.
Oh no.
This is exactly what happened. When I got home, Sprinkle's body was in the freezer where Dwight said he left her. Did I have it right? Okay.
Oh my god, now I'm gonna actually cry.
Okay.
Because this is bringing back so many memories
I know.
of like those great, amazing years together.
I know.
Okay, now I'm
know.
getting
Okay.
emotional.
Okay.
Use it. Use it.
Use it! Action! Okay, alright. When I got home, Sprinkle's body was in the freezer where Dwight said he had left her. But all of my bags of frozen French fries had been clawed to shreds.
Uh-huh.
Something's not right. The vet's doing an autopsy.
Angela, I'm sorry.
Did Roy ever kill one of your cats?
I'm more of a dog person.
And we would like to give a special shout out to Josh, who played the part of our desk partition.
Yes, partition.
Desk partition.
Is this a union gig.
Oh gosh.
Might be.
Here we go.
So now the candy melts are done, and just follow the instructions on the bag. Works great. You might want to add a little bit of oil too, like coconut oil or canola oil.
Oh.
It thins it out a little bit. Now we're going to take the cake pop. You just want to get it all covered if you can. And then we're just going to do something really easy and just put some sprinkles on top. And see, look.
Look how cute it is.
That's so
And
cute.
that's it. That's all you got to do.
Make things so cute.
So cute. It's a holiday cake pop.
So with the candy melts, you want to let them dry, and you don't really have a place to put them. So you can use a styrofoam block if you want, or I don't like styrofoam. Actually, the sound of it
The
makes
sound
me
of the stick going in the styrofoam.
makes me crazy.
I agree.
So
It really it
You
makes them
invented
nuts.
this.
we just
item.
had this cardboard piece that I just put holes in.
Let's talk about what it is exactly. Martha Stewart sent us a bunch of wine,
It's true.
and this is the little thing that holds the wine.
It's the packing of the wine, so.
So step one is order a bunch of wine. Then use the packing for your cake pop.
I want to do this little guy.
All right, do the little guy. Swirl this stuff off the side there. Yep, perfect. That looks really cute, babe. Look at that.
Yours looks a little sad.
Mine's not.
It looks like
It does take a little bit of practice.
Oh no!
Oh,
too.
no.
It's falling off in there. Oh no! Don't! It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall.
So I did this on purpose. I wanted you to see what not to do.
Yep, exactly. You can do the sprinkles, all right, and that's totally fine and really easy. Or you can also do something else,
What?
which I did. I took some of the royal icing I used for some cookies, and I decorated a little bit on the cake pop too. So I have some of those I want to show you. So this is what I did.
Oh,
So you made a little like Christmas ivy around.
that's so cute,
the cake pop.
Holly. We get to try one?
Now we get to try one.
Yay! That was so good.
Oh my gosh, that's so
You
good.
like it?
It's really nice.
Awesome.
That's a good spice.
Okay, before we wrap it up today, you guys, it's our holiday gift time.
Yay!
Holiday gift time. We have a lot of awesome gifts. Josh, show a photo.
Okay.
Show a photo.
Woo!
Woo! You guys can win all of those things, and to do that, you just need to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment about your favorite holiday tradition, and I'm really excited because guess what else is going to be in our giveaway?
I'm adding something.
Show us,
Giveaway.
Jenna. Show us.
A signed copy of my book, The Actor's Life.
Yay!
So especially if you're an actor or an artist or a writer, just a creative person, this is a really great book for you or for your parents. I've had a lot of actors say I gave your book to my parents so that they could understand what my life really is.
Oh,
That's
that
a
is-
great idea.
That's actually
Yeah.
a great idea. I love it so much,
great.
and
I'm so proud of it.
I wish I had it because it is so. It's inspiring, but it's also like informative, and
Very practical.
and some of the photos I took, so I get photo credit in your book.
This is true. These are pictures of my first
Oh my
headshots.
gosh.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, that's
What
special.
job is that getting me?
I don't know. I don't know. I love
You know what job it got me? No jobs.
No job.
It got me 0 jobs.
0 jobs. I love looking at old headshots. I have one in a denim vest. That's real special. You had like frosted.
Yeah, I have some real special ones too.
So if you don't win the giveaway,
Oh, yeah.
where can you get your book?
Well, it's on Amazon and it's like 12 bucks, you guys.
It's a steal.
And there, I also narrated the audio version. So if you want to hear my voice tell you my story, you can do that if you want.
So subscribe and leave a comment about your favorite holiday tradition. We're gonna pick a winner and announce it in next week's video. You're gonna get Jenna's books and lots of other awesome things.
All right, guys, thank you so much. And if you make these gingerbread cake pops, please tag us because we love seeing when you make our stuff.
Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you, Jenna.
Thank you,
Guys,
Jenna.
can I take a couple of these?
Oh my
for
gosh,
kids?
yes. Yes,
Yeah,
you
for
are
sure.
Go.
there.
Bye.
All right, bye, guys.
Bye.
You do this. All right.
Don't pretend like you're
Good.
using a spoon. Like,
I washed my hands. I don't know if you noticed, but he put the icing on his side.
I'd noticed.
I wonder why.
Ready?
Tuesday. We're ready.
We're ready.
Set.
Bake! So now we're gonna make the cake pop balls. I can't say that. I feel like you're gonna like zing me.
Just say it.
If your balls are not the same size, it is okay. And I
It's
mean that
okay.
truly.
You mean that truly?
Yeah.
I really do.
For cake balls or
Any balls.
any balls in your life.
They're not the same size. I don't want anyone to get a complex about it.
Do you want to do it now?
Oh, you guys are a cool guy.
He's always in the
Wait a second. He he has watched through so many of our videos, and people are like, "Who's the dude? Who's the dude?" I feel like we need a little arrow that points him out. Anyway, the poor guy just went by. Oh my gosh, you're like tickling my ear.
Oh my god.
We're never getting it.